Everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can fix your mouse not working on Windows 10. Now for this I am going to be demonstrating with a mouse, but you can use your keyboard to do this as well. To begin, we're going to write device manager into our Windows Start task bar right here. Once we do so, we should be led into this application. From here, we simply want to go ahead and find where all of these are. We want to find mice and other pointing devices. From there, as you can see, we have two of the same mice. I'm going to right click and I am going to press on uninstall device for both of these. Afterwards, what I'm simply going to be doing is going to action update driver if you want to, but we'll do that later. So you want to press on scan for hardware changes. From there, update driver, search automatically, make sure it's update. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure you like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. As you can see, we've been on a consistent upload schedule, so it would really help us out if you hit that bell icon so you don't miss the videos that we post daily. Other than that, it's been great talking to you guys. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.